meron tayong online question. What is the difference between earnest money and option money? At sagutin natin by citing the case of Josefina et al. Josefina O. Esmer et al. Versus Paraiso Development Corporation, decided by the Supreme Court in 2007. Actually, ang earnest money at option money hindi magkapareho. And they are distinguished based on the following. Ang earnest money is part of the purchase price, while the option money is given as a distinct consideration, no, to an option contract. Meaning, ibenta mo sa akin, bibigyan kita ng 10,000, ayun yung option money. Pag binili ko, hindi ito kasama sa total price. Hindi madideduct yung aking 10,000 dahil yun ay isang option lang whether or not binili mo. Pag hindi mo binili, it will be forfeited in favor of the seller. Ano? Ang earnest money is given pag merong sale, meaning tapos na ang usapin. So you give that during a sale. While an option money, hindi pa perfect yung sale. Marami pang choices siguro yung seller na pagbibigyan. And para hindi ka mawala sa eksena, magbibigay ka lang ng isang option money. Pag nagbigay ka ng earnest money at tinanggap ng seller, yung seller is bound to give it to you, yung property, but you as buyer is bound to pay the balance. No? So, actually, perfect na yung contract. Magbigay ka ngayon ng earnest money ng 10,000, yung balance na, for example, 90,000, kailangan bayaran mo. Kasi perfected na yung contract. Ang option money, hindi required na bumili ka doon sa property na kursunada mo. At yun nga lang, pag hindi mo tinuloy yung sale, mafo-forfeit in favor of the seller yung iyong option money.